Tricia, a lot of the tips that you share with us involve making different mixtures. I guess you do a lot of mixing at your home.
I do a lot of mixing, and today I'm going to make tea.
Okay, what kind of tea and what's it good for?
Well, it's not for you, but actually it's a great tea for plants. And what I'm going to do is just use some compost and some alfalfa. Now, I actually have alfalfa here. You could also use alfalfa pellets. Both of these things are very, very good for nutrition in the soil.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is take maybe a shovelful, I'm going to use my hands in this instance, of the composted matter.
Okay, you want me to start stirring, I guess?
Please start stirring.
Okay.
And then a couple of handfuls of the alfalfa. And remember, you can also use the pellets. And what this is doing is it's making, literally, a tea, just like you would steep a tea at home. So likewise, just like you need to let it have time to get brown, you're going to let this get brown.
Okay, now do you fill this all the way up to the top?
Yes, yeah. In this instance, this is about a 5-gallon batch. So this is something that you might want to keep on the patio for your patio plants.
Yeah, I see.
And so when you water them, you're also giving them the nutrition.
Okay, and then you just let it sit there a couple days and water it from time to time? Stir it from time to time?
Stir it from time to time, and when it's all poured out, you can actually use the matter at the bottom to put around your plants for some composting. Now, I have a friend who's an organic gardener, and he uses a manure tea.
Oh, is that right? I hope he has a lid on that.
He does. It's a 32-gallon, and he just uses it all the time for his roses, and he's an award winner.
That sounds great.